Here are some of my thoughts while we were casting Onyx Philippines kontra sa AP Bren. You know what time it is? Hands in. Unahin ko na siguro yung Onyx Philippines just basing it on what I've seen from them. Ito yung ina-expect ko sa Onyx Philippines paglabas pa lang ng week 1. Kahit na nagkaroon sila ng isang panalo during the first 2 weeks, we cannot deny the struggles of Onyx Philippines back then. Which is why it is really nice to see them like this. King Kong efficiently using the back siya. Kumbaga nung kinakas namin kanina yung laro nila, especially nung game number 2, parang sobrang hirap i-cast nun kasi sobrang hirap maghanap ng paraan para sa AP Bren na makabawi kasi basang-basa sila ng Onyx Philippines nung game number 2. And that is props to the coaching staff at dun sa galaw ng mga players. Another thought is probably Kirk. He really surprised me dun sa paggamit niya ng Uranus. Kasi pinapaulit-ulit ko to kanina during the cast na nasasanay ako na nakikita ko si Kirk na gumagamit ng mga playmaking heroes. 'Di ba kaya nga pag siya'y nakasalang, ang binaban madalas sa yung Arlot, yung Yuzong. But I didn't know na kaya niya ring maging efficient sa pamamagitan ng Uranus. Kasi those are the type of heroes na kadalasan ko makikita kay Ryota. Sure, meron siguro mga moments na napagsabihan siya ni King Kong during the mic check kasi kaya naman nila kumuha ng objectives nang hindi siya namamatay. But it's just nice to see him play a hero na iba ng konti dun sa playstyle niya. Ngayon, para naman sa EP Bren, this is the worst possible way to start week 3. I was kind of caught off guard nung nakita ko yung performance nila kanina. Nung game number 1, namatay si James Banks na gamit yung Hardy, which is a hero that we were supposed to see snowball like 2-0, 3-0. Pero pagdating pa lang dun, tila naramdaman na namin na tapos na yung laban because James didn't get the snowball that he needs. Pangalawa naman is hindi siya yung naging primary target kundi yung objectives that were around him. 3 level gap na kaagad 4 minutes in, and I think 3 minutes into the game, level 3 pa rin si James Banks at hindi man lang siya nakapalag dun sa turtle. I'm sure this is gonna be a wake-up call para sa AP Bren because I see criticism all around social media na sinasabi na baka 2 weeks lang yung trial card nila, and I know for sure that isn't true. I know that this is a team that can bounce back, naranasan na nilang manalo, and they just have to go back to that and be better. But the Holy Week break was used so well by MPLPH teams na inaral nila kung paano yung galawan dito ng AP Bren. So now the Bees would have to think of something else if they want to make it back to the playoffs.